Today's Ford Mercury, 2010 Mercury Mariner, having issues with this infamous lock cylinder setup. It's a criminal design. But yeah, let me get that in and out of there for them. Yeah, I wonder about these engineers sometimes. Got the old infamous 5.5 millimeter socket. Why go with 6 and why go with 5 when you can go with 5.5? Get to these damn hidden bolts down in here. It's gonna be great. There's some more over here. All right, see there? See there? See that little guy right there? Oh man, why? Whoa, lost focus. Great. There ain't no space to get to that damn thing. I mean, I done got it, but yeah, that's experience. All right, got all the little 3 screws out of there, including the one from the bottom. Now it's time for the trick that my mama showed me. All right, see there? Yeah, my mom showed me that trick. Now, getting like that one down in there started, just gotta have your little baby wrench. And get it started. And then you take off with your socket. Yep, good times. Good times. Yeah. Okay, so we're all good now. I just need a little trim pieces to go around here and put this thing back together for this fella. Yeah, it's that torque sensor, like I was saying. It's common, just as common as this ignition switch. It's unfortunate you got like a 1-2 combo going on there now. Yeah, I can't get that code to go out of there. Steering shaft torque sensor malfunction. That's a doohickey up underneath there. Back in there, matter of fact. Yeah.